Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks to Jira from Slack with AI routing step by step clearly. To start transferring tasks from Slack to Jira using AI routing, ensure that you have the necessary permissions in both platforms. Begin by opening your Slack workspace. Navigate to the channel where the tasks are discussed. Identify the task or message you want to transfer to Jira. Highlight the specific message that contains the task details. Use the command feature in Slack to initiate the transfer. Type the appropriate command to integrate with Jira. If prompted, authenticate your Jira account. Select the desired Jira project where the task will be created. Fill in the required fields, such as task title and description. Utilize any AI routing features available to assign the task automatically. Ensure you set the priority level for the task based on its urgency. Confirm the assignee if it needs to go to a specific team member. Review all the details before finalizing the task transfer. Click on the Submit button to create the task in Jira. Check your Jira project to verify that the task has successfully been created. If needed, return to Slack to notify the team about the task transfer. Repeat the process for any additional tasks you wish to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.